going to cook today. We're going to make some brownies.
All right, so let's get started. So what we need for the brownies, we need the brownie mix. And then we need 2 eggs. Good job. I'll get you. Then we'll put in 2/3 cup vegetable oil. Pour it in there. And 3 tablespoons water.
Can I pour over it?
Mm-hmm. And then we're going to stir it. Penelope, since the spoon's right by you first, you can start stirring it. You want to hold the bowl for her a little bit, Anara? Whoop, that's okay. All right, now let's, Anara, stir. And then you hold the bowl. Teamwork. That's what makes good brownies.
I can see it in the egg.
Yeah, we want to get it all mixed up. Okay, let Penelope try. Nara, hold the bowl. Get along the sides of the bowl.
That's what I did.
Hold the bowl for her. Penelope.
Oh, yeah.
Right there along that side. Can you do that? All right.
Ooh.
Okay, that's good. So next we're going to put the brownie mix into the pans. They each get to do 6, and we're using a 2/3 cup measuring cup. And let's see them not make a mess. And put a scoop into each. Go into the next one. No, go to the next one. There you go. If we need to fill them up with more, then we will, but we'll start with this first.
Can I put more in it?
Yeah, here's this one. This one needs a little bit more. That one needs a little bit more. Just put in a little bit on each one. Yours needs a little bit more in that one, and that one, and that one. And then we'll see. We're almost running out of
Chocolate.
We're almost running out of chocolate. Okay, put some in the next one.
It looks like poo at first.
Yeah, it does, doesn't it?
Preheat your oven to 325 and cook for 20 minutes.
All right, so the brownies are cool. The girls are going to put the frostings on the brownies.
Mom, can you help me?
You know what you can do? You can, if you want to hold the brownie with one hand.
There you go.
And then you can spread it. There you go.
1, 2, open my soup. 3, 4, open the door. 5, 6, Mikey kicks. 1, 2, pick up my shoe. 3, 4, open the door. 5, 6, pick up sticks. 7, 8, leave.
As soon as you get it frosted, we get to do the magic sprinkles.
They're no magic.
No magic?
Yes, they are. Some magic.
We'll find out.
How is Noah's doing good? How?
You're doing good.
You are doing great.
Oh no, I got some on me. Can I lick it off?
No,
After
you
you're
just,
done.
you just leave it. When you're done, you can look at all the places, spots you got on your hand.
Just not off the brownies.
Yes.
It doesn't have to be perfect.
Yep.
It
just
just,
have to be-
it just has to be some on there.
Just like that. You're doing great.
They look delicious.
They do look good.
That's good. I mean, that's fine. I keep it like that. Last one. Did I eat it after this?
Not yet.
No.
Because I got away from Mama.
Magic sprinkles.
And the magic sprinkles. Oh yeah.
Wash your hands after.
If they're not magic, then that's just the name.
If they're not magic, they're at least special.
Can I add some more icing to your brownies?
No, just keep it like that.
All right.
All right, they're perfect the way they are, Mom.
Okay.
Don't be a perfectionist.
Look at all that icing in the cup.
What you got in your hand?
Got the sprinkles.
Sprinkles. Oh, they
Magic
got
sprinkles.
They're not magic. Do they have unicorn pictures?
No.
Well, if they did, then they would be super magic. Can I look? Oh, they're Kool-Aid packets.
Ooh.
Kool-Aid sprinkles.
What? Kool-Aid sprinkles?
Mm-hmm.
Kool-Aid,
never
Kool-Aid
have
magic
them.
sprinkles.
Why not? You never have. Woo! I always say that.
What color sprinkles do you want?
I want purple. Wait, I wanted to purple. There's
You got two purples.
Oh yeah, I want purple.
Okay.
Please.
Please.
Okay, now the trick to magic sprinkles is you can't taste them until after they're on the brownies. Okay, so even if they fall on the plate, don't pick them up and lick your fingers or anything. They have to be on the brownies to be magic, okay?
They're not magic. They
Well,
are
we'll
too.
find out.
They are too.
We don't know. I just heard they were, so we'll find out. Right there, so there's a corner, see? And then you just take it and you go like this over the brownies, okay? On each brownie, so
Ooh, that's why.
yeah, that is a lot.
Oops. They are magic.
Um,
Wow. They are. Oh,
Okay, pick the one that you want to eat. Which one do you want to eat? Take it and then go ahead and take a bite.
Mm. They're fizzy.
They're magic.
I mean, I don't feel it, but I hear it. So what?
Is it good? Do you like the magic sprinkles?
Yeah.
Penelope, is it magic? Okay.
Are they fizzy?
No. They are, but I can hear it, but you can't feel it. That's why they're magic. And normally some sprinkles do that, and you can feel it. I don't need more.
Just spread a little bit right there. And then try it. Maybe a fizzy.
All right, girls, so thumbs up or thumbs down on those? All right. Very good. And there you have it, the brownies with the magic sprinkles. So which one's Dad's? Okay, hand it to Dad.
I probably won't
Daddy.
be able to
He's
get
behind
over
you
it
now.
tomorrow. I probably won't be able to get
Cheers.
over it tomorrow. I don't know. It's like our
That
key
one?
was at like 13.
Dad?
It's like it's never been that high before.
Get your brownie.
That one?
I got all of it.
Jeez. Mine's super bad.
Okay, and who's gonna give Papa Dave one?
Me.
Okay.
He's gonna get two of them.
And then which one do I get?
You get this
Okay, I'll get that one. And then we'll say the other one's for Tanner and Haven and yeah.
Thank
and
you.
Mommy.
Sprinkle, sprinkle. Daddy, you're a fairy now.
Well, that
Daddy,
really did taste like
hey,
fizzy.
Daddy, you are fairy too. I did that.
You did that?
Do you like it?
I do.
Good job, girls. Those are delicious.
Yeah.
Recipe deals for easy meals. Please like, subscribe, and share. This is Cooking with Sherry. Until we meet again.